In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Outlook's too many requests problem. This error typically occurs in the browser when your account or session is temporarily rate limited after multiple rapid actions or login attempts. The fix is usually temporary and can be resolved with a few careful steps. First, wait. The most reliable solution is to pause for 24 to 72 hours before attempting to sign in again. This allows Outlook servers to reset the rate limit tied to your account or IP address. Though simple, patience is often the most effective remedy. Next, clear your browser data. Cached files and cookies may carry stale session information that triggers the error. Open your browser settings, locate the option to clear browsing data, and remove cache and cookies for all time. Be aware this signs you out of most sites, so have your credentials ready. After clearing, fully close and restart the browser to start fresh. Then, disable extensions. Add-ons like ad blockers, privacy tools, or script managers can interfere with Outlook's login and page rendering. Access your browser's extensions page, turn them off, restart the browser, and try signing in again. If this works, re-enable extensions one by one to identify any causing issues. If the problem persists, change your network. Rate limits may be tied to your current IP address. Switching to a different connection, such as home Wi-Fi instead of work, or using mobile data, can help. Even moving between Wi-Fi networks can provide a fresh IP and restore access. Finally, refresh the page repeatedly. On the sign-in or loading screen, press F5 multiple times to force a reload. This can nudge the session into a clean state without causing further errors. Follow these steps in order and patiently. Start with refreshing, then clear your browser data, disable extensions, change networks if needed, and if all else fails, wait and return after 24 to 72 hours. By carefully following this process, you should resolve it.